Welcome to the Garage Engineer. Today's video is Estate Sale Friday. Well, actually, it's a Monday, and we didn't really go to an estate sale. We went to a thrift store, but we'll get into that in a minute. Let's clear off the bench from last project video and get started with this video. In our last video, we took apart a jump pack and got some really usable parts. After you watch this video, I'll have a link at the end of what we found on these parts for the jump pack. And take a look at that, it's pretty interesting. Let's get this cleared off. Alright, so if you're new to the channel, you're probably asking, what is an estate sale Friday? Well, usually the good time to go to estate sales is on a Friday, and that's when you can find the good deals if it's a good estate sale or yard sale. And I have a whole playlist of multiple videos of different ones we've been to. Now this summer, there hasn't really been any good estate sales or yard sales or garage sales or anything that I've really been able to videotape because I've just not found anything. But today, I found something that I wanted to share with you. So I was out getting some materials for a future project. I decided to stop by a thrift store I don't normally go to. And this one's a little different than the ones I normally go to is sometimes they like to batch items together that they can't sell individually, which I really like. And normally it's just a bunch of junk stuff. Today, this one caught my eye for a specific reason. So this was stapled to the bag. So when I picked up the package, this is the price tag. I didn't know if this was 6 backwards to 6 or if it was $9.52. Either way, the price, even if I had to pay the $9 amount, it would have been alright. Luckily, it ended up only being, that was a $6.56 is what the price was. So I was fine with that. This is mostly electronics, which I could do a lot more with. There's other bags with other stuff that wasn't really my interest, but if I can at least get one good thing for $6, then I was happy. And there was just one good thing, and it's right here sticking out the top. So this is what caught my eye. This is a Wi-Fi repeater / extender. Just plug it in, and it should take the signal of Wi-Fi that you're getting and shoot it back out. The reason why this caught my eye and why I've actually been looking for something like this is my local band runs the concession stand, and where we're at, the Wi-Fi and cell service is terrible, so we needed something to bump it up for our Square credit card processing system. Alright, so I'm sure most of this is going to be junk, but I don't know. Let's see what we got. How do we want to start at the top here? We've got a brand new, looks like folder. It says Elite Leadership Program. So it's new in box. 3-ring binder. It's not a full letter size, but that's not too bad. This is a SE Ledger. So this is a brand new book. It's just an accountant's ledger book. It has telephones, brand new, hasn't been used, so that's not too bad. We've got the Achievement Planner. Goals, tracking, communication. I wonder if that fits inside. That might fit inside our Elite Leadership Program. Let's see what it does. Now I know a lot of this is not useful in the digital age. Yep, that goes right in there. So we will keep that together. But some people still like, I guess, a lot of this stuff I can't get rid of because I don't have a thrift store or anything for reselling. A lot of this stuff you can't really resell easily, like on Facebook Marketplace or anything. But here's some Easter eggs. So I don't know what I'm going to do with a lot of it, but here's a interesting angel bell. But I have some ideas of how we can repurpose it as gifts or something like that to give out. Now these were interesting. I thought these were pill bottles, but it's a keychain, and I think, yeah, let's see here. You got to open it up. Yep, these are, if I can get it from the middle here, But they are Clorox type wipes, baby wipes. They don't have much of a smell, so I don't know if it has how much bleach it has in it, but you need to pull it from the middle. Pop it through the center. And there you go. You have handy wipes that you can take portable. Now, I'm not sure I'll carry this around, but my wife is an epidemiologist and this is right up her alley. So we got a bunch of those. And get rid of the trash. Here's another one. So we got 5 of those. That'd be nice gifts to give to people. Here's some wet wipes. We'll just leave that there. Alright, let's see what else we got. This looks interesting. It is a watch. What is this? Is this a Fitbit? It doesn't say. Does it power on? Doesn't power on. I think this is a Fitbit. I don't know. Let's plug it in and see what we got charge-wise. It might be an older Fitbit, but let's get a plug. Battery's low. Hey, it comes on at least. Let's give that a little bit to charge up and see what's going on. Alright. The old elusive robotic calculator. But it doesn't work. It doesn't latch. These used to be pretty cool in the day. Oh, here, it's broken, that's why. These were promo items before cell phones. People needed calculators. And, so what they would do, here, let's make some room here. You get that for your desk, you push the button, and it would transform. It was even a calendar too. Look at that, that's pretty fancy. You got a clock. The battery's dead on that probably. So we need to get some batteries for that and give that a try. But yeah, that was, if you had an office, that was the premium promo item to get. Alright, we'll put that off to the side. And here, oh look at that, alright. Here's a thermometer. It's a little dirty and it's missing the back cover, but we've got a 3D printer, I think we can fix it. So we'll put that off to the side. We need to get a battery and test it to see if it's working. Here's some mask, Dre level 1, I don't know what that is. There's 2 packs of mask that can go with our supplies there. Oh, look at this. This is a Philips voice recorder. That's pretty cool. It looks brand new. Brand new. Let's charge it up to see if it works. It has an old micro USB or macro, one of the two. So you need this specific wire to charge it. What kind of batteries does it have? Well, it needs just AA batteries. I don't know. Maybe it has to hook up your computer so you can download it. It just takes batteries. Alright, so I got some AAA batteries. Let's put it into our voice recorder here. Let's see what it sounds like. Let's see if we got any power to it. Alright, it's on. Look at that. You gotta set the clock. Well, we won't worry about that. This is a testing on the Garage Engineer channel. Alright, 10 seconds. Let's see if we can play it back. This is a testing on the Garage Engineer channel. Not bad. And this is brand new in the box, so I don't know. We'll see what we can do with that. Maybe we can resell it. Alright, let's see here. What else we got? Oh, here's another angel, but someone's marked its little face, so, and colored it with markers. We'll put that with the other angel here. Alright, we've got a cable USB-A to USB macro. I think micro. The old micro. What's this? We got some old Sony cassette tapes. If someone was in need of that, that definitely would be worth it. Sony's a good brand tape too. Oh look, right next to the thermometer here. Look at this. It's a SanDisk USB 3. SanDisk Cruiser 4 gigabytes. That's worth more than $6 right there. That's cool. We'll have to check, see what's on there. And let's see, Brita. If anybody needs, this is the whole water system. This isn't just a filter. This is a Brita. You hook this up to your faucet and you can make filtered water. We can put that up to the shop. I don't know if everything's in there or not. Let's see here. What's in here? Looks like it's complete. It does have the filter. Oh, it's missing the... Here's the part that goes onto your faucet. Or does it just pop in there? It might just pop in there like that. I think it's all there. Huh. Here's another USB-A to micro USB. What's this? Looks like it has a Google Chrome symbol on it. Has a 3.5-inch plug and the USB micro, so one of these fits in there. You know, I really like USB-C. It's changed things, but designed by Google. Alright, Best Buy says it is the Google Chromecast audio. Stream your favorite music with Google Chromecast. Simply plug into your speaker's auxiliary port and connect to your Wi-Fi network. Then just tap the cast button from your favorite app. Huh. And it's a new product. Let's see here. Do they still sell it at Best Buy? Or is this an older product? No longer available. So I don't know how old this is. But it's so you can wirelessly stream to a speaker. That's pretty neat. Alright. Looks like we got another one. And this has HDMI. I wonder if this is for video. It's another Chrome, Google. And this model is NC2 6A5. Alright, Best Buy does not have that, so let's go back to Google here. Google Chromecast Ultra. No longer available. Ultra 4K streaming media player. I wonder why, if it's doing 4K, I wonder why it's not available. Deliver everything you love about Chromecast plus faster processing speeds. That'd be interesting. And a pen. Diversity and inclusion. NASA. Huh. Let's look at that. I'm sure I just killed a bunch of people opening it up. But this says Diversity and Inclusion Framework, NASA. Well, that's interesting. So if anybody knows anything about this pen, the background of it, I'd love to hear about it. Put it down in the comments below and let me know. So I'm very surprised what we got. It was a lot more than what I was expecting. For $7, that's not too bad. Let's check in on our Fitbit, or that's already been halfway charged. Notifications on. It's a step counter. It can do your heart rate. I don't know if this is name brand or not. It's got a pulse oximeter on there. So if we're looking for one thing for $7 that we happen to see sticking out of a bag, we ended up with a couple pretty good items. I mean, they're not hitting out of the ballpark, but it was more than what I was expecting. It wasn't just a bag of trash. So if you have any similar stories like that, comment down below. And also, I will post a link to the playlist of the other Estate Sale Friday videos that we've had. Those, I've had a lot of more success and exciting of tools and different things I've found, so you want to check that out. Well, thanks for coming along with us on our adventure here of what we found, and we'll see you next video. And if you'd like to see more videos like the one that you just saw, you can check here and here. And remember the ABCs of making. Always be creating. Till next time. Well, with a little bit of internet searching and using Google Lens, it's telling me that this is a Fitbit charge. So That's a score right there. Now, I don't know how good the battery life is on it or whatnot, but that's not too shabby.